Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Good morning dear students. Today we are going to discuss about acids, bases and salts from chapter 2, class 10 CBSE syllabus. Children, now let us discuss about Lewis concept. According to Lewis theory of acid-base reactions, bases donate pairs of electrons and acids accept pairs of electrons. Thus, it can be said that a Lewis acid is an electron pair acceptor. The advantages of Lewis theory is that completely the model of oxidation reduction reactions. The oxidation reduction reactions takes place on the transfer of electrons from one atom to another with a net charge in the oxidation number of one or more atoms. The Lewis theory further suggested that acids react with bases and share a pair of electrons, but there is no charge in the oxidation number of any atoms. Either an electron is transferred from one atom to another, or the atoms come together to share a pair of electrons. Like aluminum hydroxide is acting as a base, and another example is aluminum hydroxide is acting as an acid. These reactions are showing clearly when aluminum hydroxide accepts proton, it acts as a base. When it accepts an electron, it acts as an acid. This Lewis acid-base theory also explains why non-metal oxides such as carbon dioxide dissolved in H2O to form acids, such as carbonic acids, as example is given below. Now let us discuss the limitations of Lewis theory. The Lewis concept gave a generalized idea including all coordinations, reactions and compounds. This is not true always. An idea about the reactive strength of acid and bases is not provided by Lewis concept. The Lewis concept is not in line with the acid-base reaction concept. Lewis concept has not discussed the behavior of proton acids like HCl. Thank you.